My shed has come a long way. I still have a lot to empty out of it, but as you can see, I have done the gray exterior paint on, well, I've done it on all sides. However, it's definitely going to need a second coat just because the wood wasn't in great condition, even though I sanded it and scraped it and sanded it and washed it. It's going to need a second coat. And then I chose like kind of an off-white color for the trim and the door, which is going to need several more coats, I think. And then I have to finish the trim around the sides. I've already went ahead and put up some chicken wire on the door and in the back window. And then I'll take you over here and show you kind of what the plan is for the coop. This is going to stand up and go here, and then there's going to be an identical one, which I'm working on back here where you can't see it in the camera. And this is going to be the chicken run. So it'll go 14 feet by 8 feet. And let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm going to do with the rest of it. So this side over here is going to be the nesting boxes. I'm going to have a total of 7 chickens. I have 3 right now, 4 on the way. So there's going to be 2 nesting boxes here in the middle with a door that I can pull up and latch to get the eggs. And then above that's going to be a window, so there's some cross ventilation. And then this, when it gets put up and finished, I'm going to use this aluminum corrugated metal for the bottom part, and then hardware cloth for the top part. And then I haven't decided what material to use for the roof yet. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them below, and I will do a part 2 of this video and show you guys how we finish it. Until next time, I'll see y'all later.